How's it going? Well, we got another one here. A beautiful 1967 Chevrolet El Camino, an original California car that is packed full of everything you probably ever want. If you would, just take 3 seconds, hit that like and subscribe button. It helps with the algorithm, it helps get content out, and we really appreciate it. Doesn't cost you anything, it doesn't take more than 2 seconds of your time. Great looking 67 El Camino, 327 originally. Now it's powered by a small block 400 with AFR aluminum heads, fuel injection, rebuilt turbo 400 transmission, running through a 9-inch Ford rear with 350 gears. This car gets it. 4-wheel disc brakes, vintage American racing wheels all the way around, brand new rubber. Brakes have been completely gone through. Everything works on the car, all lights and buttons and that kind of stuff. Original California car, arrow straight, no rust repair, no patch panels, nothing. A typical West Coast car. The owner we got it from had the car roughly 27 to 30 years. Came out of Sun City, Arizona, which is basically a 55 and over retirement area. And there's some beautiful cars there. I'll tell you, we cruise through the neighborhoods there sometimes on a Sunday looking to see what's out there, and the stuff you see sitting in open garages is amazing. And I'm not afraid to knock on the door to try to buy it. This car here has great original chrome and trim all the way around. Base coat clear. Paint is about 10 or 15 years old and looks like it's probably 6 months old. Always garaged, always maintained. Just a real nice car. A lot of money's been put in this car when it was built. It's got great suspension. It's got Eibach springs in it all the way around, so it's got a little bit of a lowered stance. And it's got big sway bars front and rear. So this thing handles like a cat with sneakers. And the 400 with the fuel injection and AFR heads, it runs like a scalded dog when you put your foot in it. Original color of Nantucket Blue. And this was actually the factory color on the car, according to the Cal tag, if you see the pictures. Great looking car, great looking color, one of the best. Beautiful clean bed, not all beat up. It's got the nice retractable tonneau cover that's on the hydraulics, which works really well, and then keeps the bed closed and cleaned up for extra security. Taillights, chrome, trim, everything on this car really looks good. The body, when you look down the sides, there isn't a door ding, chip, or scratch in it. It is, every panel is absolutely dead straight. It's got one little stone chip in the windshield. That was there when we got it. Windshield was replaced at one time. It does have a PPG glass in it, so it has been replaced. AM/FM radio with CD. Not that anybody uses CD anymore, and I believe it may have a Bluetooth. I haven't checked, and I didn't see any indication on it, but it does have XM satellite radio connectability to it. It's a Pioneer Super Tuner. Interior is excellent. Bucket seats with full console, full gauges added on under the dash. Dashboard is in excellent condition, and they didn't cut the dash up. That's why they mounted the radio down there. It does have a dash mat on it. I'll pull that off, and you can see the dashboard is in beautiful shape. Behind the seats, the whole interior is finished. A set of speakers under the rear deck. All the lights work. Windows roll up and down. Doors close clean and solid. The car's a no-brainer. Let me get the hood open, I'll fire it up, listen to it run, and then we'll go take it for a ride. Let's go. All right, give it a quick fire up. Got a high torque tilt and starter in it, gear reduction, as you can hear. AFR aluminum heads. It's a small block 400, 2-port injection with air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, 4-wheel disc brakes all the way around on it. Motor runs good and it's very responsive. MSD ignition as well. Go around back, no strange noises, no weird smoke, no smells. It's got a nice mellow sound. It's got a set of Flowmaster 50s on it. They might be 40s, I'm not sure, but I think there's some Flowmaster 50s because the car is not obnoxiously loud. But it does sound great going down the road. Doors close nicely. All the panels line up nice. Hood closes clean. Everything is nice and square. Let's go take it for a ride. Goes into gear nice. It shifts really good. Transmission's been rebuilt and actually built up. It definitely has a shift kit in it. It's firm and crisp, but not uncomfortable. Picked this car up over the weekend. Been driving it around, probably put about 100, 150 miles on it with absolutely no issues. And again, just like every video I film, I go to pull out of a parking lot or make a turn, and now we gotta wait for traffic. I don't know what it is, it's just my luck. It's a beautiful day here in Phoenix, Arizona. Sun shining, temperature about 68 degrees. Can't complain about that. I know other parts of the country right now are cold and wet and snow, especially back east. And California, now they've had some weird weather over the last week or so. They got a bunch of snow in Los Angeles County, which never really happens. Up in the mountains a little bit, yeah, but not down in the lower areas. All right, here we go. Transmission shifts right on point. You can hear it in the note of the exhaust. Stops straight, stops true. The 4-wheel disc brakes really, really do a good job. It's got a nice firm ride with the Eibach springs. It is a little lower. I'll tell you though, you can run this thing through a exit ramp 60, 70 miles an hour and it just stays flat. And that's a good feeling. We'll go for a little extended ride because I like driving it and it's a nice day. We'll stand on it a little bit for you. And a rip second gear. It's a runner. She's definitely a runner. The guy that had it for years, and he put a ton of money in this car about 8-9 years ago. And it's been to all the Good Guys shows, both here in Phoenix, Scottsdale area, and back in California. And he drove it. He drove the car a lot. He said there's about 30,000 miles on the complete rebuild of everything. So it's been dialed in and sorted out. All the lights work, switches, the air conditioning blows cold, turn signals, all that kind of stuff. This is one of those cars I don't mind driving and I'll drive every day. You know, those TPI motors, even though it's a 400 and not just a 350, still get pretty good gas mileage. They're pretty efficient. With the AFR heads, it really makes good power and burns the fuel efficiently. The bucket seat interior is comfortable and nice. Headline is perfect, door panels, dash, nothing's hacked up, cut up. I mean, it's a real nice car. I was told that it was a real good, clean, original car that he started with the original 327 in it a couple of years ago, and it's been built up to where it is today. Yeah, she likes to stretch her legs. This dog will hunt. get it back to the shop. We'll do a quick little walk around and wrap up. Again, please, if you get the opportunity, take 2 seconds, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, follow us for all our content. We're really working very hard to build this channel. And like I said, it doesn't cost you anything. Just take 2 seconds of your time just to click it below. It's a beautiful day, a couple clouds in the sky, bright blue skies. Can't complain. And we're just about back. There we go. Well, there you have it. 1967 Chevrolet El Camino, 400, fuel injected, turbo 400 transmission, 4-wheel disc brakes, AFR aluminum heads, power steering, power brakes, air conditioning. Just a beautiful car. Make sure to like and subscribe to the video. It helps us get our content out there. Full description and link below. rpmotorcars.com, rpmotorcars.com. Any questions, give us a call. Again, thanks for watching. We appreciate it. Have a great day.